In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Drive upload problem. Let's start with the most common cause: browser add-ons getting in the way. Ad blockers, privacy shields, VPN helpers, and download managers can interrupt or rewrite the network requests that Drive relies on. The quickest way to rule this out is to open a fresh incognito or private window. This special window runs a clean session with most extensions disabled by default and no old cookies or cache carried over. Once it's open, sign into your Google account if prompted, head to Google Drive, and try uploading the same file you were having trouble with. If the upload works in the private window, you've likely found your culprit, an extension in your normal browsing profile. Go back to your regular window and open your extension manager. Turn off one extension, return to Drive, and try the upload again. Repeat this process one by one until the upload succeeds. When you identify the blocker, consider keeping it disabled while using Drive or adding Drive to its allow list so it won't interfere. Next, let's make sure you actually have room for the upload. If your Google account is out of space, every upload will fail instantly, regardless of the file or browser. Open the Google Drive storage portal to check your usage. Remember, the standard 15 gigabytes are shared across Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos. If you're at or over your limit, free up space by removing large files and emptying your Drive trash, clearing big email attachments you no longer need, or trimming oversized photos and videos. Once you've made room or upgraded your storage, try the upload again. Finally, let's address corrupted browser data. Heavy web apps like Drive depend on scripts and cached assets, and outdated cookies or cache can break those processes. Open your browser's settings and use the search box to find clear browsing data. In the dialog, choose All Time as the time range, then select Cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Be aware that clearing cookies may sign you out of some sites. When you're ready, confirm the clear. After this cleanup, return to Google Drive and attempt the upload once more. To recap, test in a private window to isolate extensions, confirm you have storage available, and clear cookies and cache if the browser may be holding on to bad data. Follow these in order, and you'll resolve the vast majority of Google Drive upload problems quickly and confidently.